Magandang araw mga kababaihan, kalalakihan. Welcome back to Roots and Routes, and I am Nathaniel, the speaker of today, and with me are my co-hosts,
Mitch
and MJ.
So here today, we're diving into the topic that is very close to our Martha's heart, the Filipino diaspora and how it's shaping Filipinos' identity.
Uy, partner, what is Filipino diaspora actually?
So Filipino diaspora, or basically diaspora, is a term that means displace of certain people from their homeland. One example of this is our fellow OFWs.
Uy, speaking of OFW, naku chika, I have this tita from abroad who about 20 years na siya nadadto. And then she went home, and the first thing I observed is that the way she speaks, the accent is so different from ours. Like, di ba, ang accent is Filipino and Bitaya accent, but her is American accent. There's one time that she instructed me, Nat, can you please get me a 1 glass of water? And she said, what? It's so crazy, so OA. Like, for me, it really asked me like a question that why it really need to changes or the behavior of Filipino identity. Why?
Actually, partner, that's a very perfect example of the hybridity that we often see in the diaspora.
Hybridity? Wait, partner, what is hybridity?
So basically, hybridity is the blending of cultures. So for Filipinos abroad, it means adapting to new culture while they're still retaining their Filipino identity. So which nag-result silang unique cultural mix na reflect as what you have said, change of accent of your tita.
And yes, that raises an interesting question. What is meant of being a Filipino in terms of Filipino diaspora? Like when moving into certain places with new tradition, new culture.
I think the importance of Filipino in terms of Filipino diaspora explains the, acknowledging the cultures or the traditions you inherit when you are living back in the Philippines. And as when you move to these places or certain places across the globe, there are what we know as coexisting. We need to coexist with these people and able to, learn something from them. Like some celebrities we all know, or what we see on social media.
Yes, I know one. I think it's Bretman Rock, right? I think Bretman Rock is a pure Filipino. So for Bretman Rock, she's an influencer. She's have a big impact in shaping our Filipino identity. Sometimes we often see her different from our Filipino cultures, like different lifestyle, different approach, different the way she spoke, and that also makes my question that does social media have connections in terms of shaping our Filipino identity?
That's right, partner. So social media also plays a huge role in keeping that connection alive. So it allows Filipino across the world to stay connected, share experience, and maintain a sense of identity.
That's right, Mitch. It creates a virtual bayanihan, diba? Like a sense of community that transcends into geographical boundaries. But it also brings challenges, like a constant pressures that to different cultures, and also lead to a feeling of being in between of not fully part of that country, but or the call home.
So actually, it's a complex issue with no single answer. But what's clear is that Filipino diaspora is more than just migration, because it tells us the story of resilience, authenticity, and evolution of Filipino identity.
And this isn't new. Filipinos have been migrating for centuries, from early Filipinos settlers to the 15,000s, to waves of migration in the 20th century. Today, over 12 million of Filipinos live and work abroad, and about 10% of our population.
So wherever we go, we carry the Philippines with us, whether it's through Jollibee, Tinikling, or just the way we bring warmth and hospitality into every space we enter.
So home is not just a place, it's actually people we hold close. So in terms with the Filipino diaspora, it's not just about living home. It's actually bringing home wherever we are.
And we want to hear from you. We listen and we know, don't judge, share your experience using hashtag Roots and Routes. Let's keep that conversation going.
Thank you
for joining us on Roots and Routes. Mabuhay!